Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study online university. First, set up a dedicated study space. This helps separate your academic life from personal distractions, making it easier to focus. Next, create a consistent study schedule, perhaps dedicating 2 to 3 hours daily. Knowing your learning style, whether visual or auditory, will also significantly enhance your study effectiveness. Engaging with your course material is crucial for online success. Make sure to actively participate in online discussions, contributing at least 2 thoughtful posts per week. Break down large assignments into smaller, manageable tasks, perhaps dedicating 30 minutes to each. Also, fully utilize all available course resources, such as virtual labs or supplementary readings, to deepen your understanding. Mastering time management and self-discipline is key for online university. Employ productivity tools like a digital calendar to track all deadlines and assignments. Schedule regular, short breaks, perhaps 10 minutes every hour, to prevent burnout and keep your mind fresh. Consistently practicing self-discipline by adhering to your study plan, even when unmotivated, will yield significant academic rewards. Finally, remember to seek support and stay connected. Don't hesitate to reach out to your instructors with questions. They are there to help. Connecting with classmates, perhaps forming a small study group of 3 or 4 people, can provide invaluable peer support. Prioritizing your mental and physical well-being, ensuring you get 8 hours of sleep, is essential for sustained academic success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.